Hi, I'm Joel Weissler. I'm an attorney, a lawyer, practicing since 1989 in San Diego County, California. California gives unique opportunities to seniors to allow them to protect their assets against the very real threat presented by the high cost of long-term care. California carves out more opportunities to structure assets and structure a senior situation to qualify for benefits and entitlements than any other state. The tools that we use to qualify families for these entitlements, for these benefits, including Medi-Cal for residential and in-home care, are based on quirks in California law. Quirks that are based on the way that benefits are calculated, and quirks based on what does and does not disqualify or delay a family from being awarded benefits. So for instance, if an individual makes a gift to a family member, and let's say they make a gift of $10,000 or $14,000 to that family member. Ordinarily, although that's fine for tax purposes, that would cause a temporary penalty period during which time benefits would not be available if you applied then. California calculates Medi-Cal penalty periods by dividing the amount given by the number of months of nursing home care that gift would have paid for. In calculating how many months it would have paid for, they use a figure based on the average private pay cost of nursing home care in California. This year, 2015, that number is $8,092. So, if we divide that $10,000 gift by $8,092, we have a disqualification period of a month and then a little bit more. Except that in California, if that amount left over is less than 1 month's nursing home care cost, California rounds that down to zero. Taking that a step further, if the gift, instead of being for $10,000, was only of $7,000, that would be rounded down too and create a 0-month disqualification period. Now, California has a few other quirks that we use in gifts and transfers. And it doesn't matter whether this gift or transfer is to a family member or is to a special kind of trust that provides income benefits for the senior while protecting the contributed principal. Now, one of the other California quirks is that gifts that are made on separate days aren't added together. So, to this trust, a gift of $7,000 can be made on day 1, another gift of $7,000 can be made on day 2, continuing with the $7,000 gift on day 3, this would still create a penalty period of 0 days. Very, very powerful. Now, if there are family members who can be trusted, we can also make gifts to different people. And gifts to different people are not added together. So, to your son, you can give $7,000, your daughter $7,000, and your grandson, if they're an adult, $7,000 also, all on the same day, and have a 0 penalty period. Then we can do the same thing again on day 2. By using these tools, and also by converting these assets to assets that the state considers to be exempt, we can qualify middle class, or truthfully, even affluent families for state benefits for care. Other important rules which we must pay attention to when gifting are that any penalties incurred start running almost right away, and not only when you apply for Medi-Cal. And that if multiple penalties are assessed for different gifts, those penalties run concurrently. For many seniors, the asset that they want to protect the most is their home. Experienced elder law attorneys, like those who work within the Weissler Law Group, can put in place structures that protect seniors' homes from the cost of care, Medi-Cal recovery, and unnecessary taxes. With proper planning, a senior's home can be protected and kept available for them and their spouse to live in as long as either of them are able. Proper structuring, including an irrevocable trust, can protect the senior's home so that the senior's children can inherit their parents' home without Medi-Cal or the state being able to make a claim against it, or to take it away from their family. Which tools and structures make sense for a senior and for their family varies family to family. There are many tools, there are many different structures that we can use. Plan design depends both on the nature of a senior's assets and the senior's priorities. We are experienced in guiding seniors to create and put in place the right structures to protect them, their spouse, and their family. I hope that the information in this video helps you help yourself, your family, and others. My firm, the Weissler Law Group, is dedicated to helping families prepare for life cycle events, build and protect wealth. Our goal is to serve our clients throughout their lifetimes, to be their attorneys for life. Please call us at 619-281-1888 or at 760-487-8180 to put together the right care and asset preservation plan. You can also find out more on our website.